Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming firmware and console versions so nothing blocks communication. Once done, plug the Dominator onto your Xbox Series X controller, then connect the controller to the console with a USB-C cable so the console recognizes input. Hold the mode and profile buttons together to enter pairing or configuration state. This primes the unit for mapping. Make sure the controller battery is sufficient and USB is in a stable port. Intermittent power causes failed writes. Once the device is recognized, open the Strike Pack app or use the on-device menu to choose a profile slot. This keeps settings organized. Then assign paddle inputs and alternate stick or face button mappings, drag or press to bind, and fine-tune rapid-fire rates if needed, because timing affects recoil compensation. Save frequently to the chosen profile slot. After saving, test every mapped input in a low-stakes match or training range to confirm actions register correctly and to adjust debounce or timing values if something feels off. To finish, lock the active profile and enable any console-safe or anti-cheat modes the Dominator offers so you avoid accidental bans or errant inputs during play. If some features are missing, make sure to update the Dominator firmware via the PC app. Updates often resolve glitches. If the unit becomes unresponsive, reseat it on the controller, swap the USB cable, or perform a controller reset. These steps restore communication. If problems persist, revert to a default profile and reapply mappings slowly to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.